Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Ayushi Desai and I am working as a clinical instructor in Dinsha Patel College of Nursing, Nadiyal. Today I am going to explain about the management of first and second stage of labor, and it is considered in the obstetric and gynecology health nursing. And Uh, First of all, the management of first stage of labor. In that, the first stage of labor is about the full dilatation of the cervix till the cervix dilate openly, till the head show occur. First, management of first stage of labor. In that, the first principle of the management is that not interference with the watchful expectancy so as to prepare the patient for natural birth. And another is to monitor carefully the progress of labor, maternal condition and fetal behavior so as to detect any intrapartum complication earlier. In the first stage, we can manage any intrapartum conditions. So it is easy to assess any complication occur during the intrapartum period. Preparation of labor room and woman. In the preparation of labor room, first, for safe delivery, the labor room has to be before conduction of the delivery. The points which should be considered in the preparation of the labor room are effective cleaning of the labor room, so all the infection can be prevented, and all the visitors and unnecessary people should be not allowed in the labor room because it can be a source of infection. Next, preparation of woman. A general vaginical examination should be done to diagnose the onset of the labor. Pubic area should be shaved and washed. Also, the sterile pad is used. If there is no bowel movement for past 24 hours, so anyone should give enema to the mother. So it will provide the comfortable position to the mother. Generally, woman is made to wear a loose hospital gown as she admitted in the labor unit. Preparation of trolley in the labor room is sponge holding forceps, dissecting forceps non-tooth or tooth, scissors, straight, Mayo scissors, small artery forceps, curved, needle holder, episiotomy scissors, kidney tray, sterile trays. Towel clip, syringe with 5 cc with needle, local anesthesia, antiseptic solution, gauze strips, sterile pads, sutures and ligaments, chromic catgut number 0.1. Another active management of the labor in the first stage of labor is that it includes some main points such as related to the mother. First of all, the base thing is the emotional support to the mother because it is very useful at that time. Mother supported emotionally in order to feel control to self and accept whatever reaction and behavior may be to complete her about feeling. Prevention of infection. Prevention of infection should be done due to the cleanliness and hygiene maintained. Another is the perineal preparation. To prevent the infection in the perineal area, mother should be shaved and also help the easy view of perineum vulva. Next, enema. Enema is given in early stage of the labor because it provides the comfortable position to the mother if she has a full of bowel. So to empty the bowel, enema should be given. Next, bladder care. Full bladder hampers the uterine contraction and can also cause the infection. So the mother should be to empty her bladder frequently. In case of mother is an empty bladder, catheterization may be done. Rest and position. Woman can assume any comfortable position during this period. In the diet, delay a day of stomach during this period, so the woman should not be made eat the solid food. Relief of pain. Some analgesic drugs should be given to the mother such as pethidine 50 to 100 mg in IM intramuscular. It relieves the pain and also continuously it will be repeated after the 4 hours. Metoclopramide is 10 mg provided to combat the vomiting due to the pethidine. Assessment of progress of labor and partograph according. Abdominal findings, uterine contraction as regard the frequency, intensity and duration are assessed. The number of contraction in 10 minutes, duration of each contraction in second are recorded in the partograph. During the first stage of labor, assessment information should be done. In the partograph, every information should be filled, such as the contraction in the 10 minutes. Another thing is pelvic grip. Gradual disappearance of the poles of the head which were felt previously. All the grip should be assessed. Shifting of the maximum impulses of the fetal heartbeat downward and medially. If the mother is in distress, some evidence shows and some symptoms shows that mother are in distress, such as anxious look with sunken eyes. Dehydration also shows the dry tongue, acetone smell in breath, rising pulse rate of 100 minutes or more, hot dry vagina often with offensive discharge. Next is management of the second stage of labor. In that, the second stage of labor is it shows the delivery of the baby. So the transition from the first stage to the second stage is evidenced by the following features: in the increasing intensity of the uterine contraction, appearance of bearing down efforts, urge of defecate with descent of the presenting part, and complete dilatation of the cervix as evidence on vaginal examination. So the uterine contraction shows the bearing down efforts and also urge to defecate the descending part of the fetus, and the complete dilatation of the cervix can show the start of the second stage. In the principle, to assess the natural expulsion of the fetus slowly and steadily, to assess the natural expulsion of the fetus and to prevent the perineal injuries. Evaluation of maternal well-being. In that, first is the vital signs. A mother should be continuous recording of the vital signs such as temperature, pulse rate and respiration, also the blood pressure in the frequently every 15 minutes. Also the bladder can done catheterization the woman immediately prior to delivery, which is toward the end of the second stage of labor. Also assess the hydration level of the mother. Dehydration causes the difficult condition in the labor, so hydration of the mother should be checked. Maternal pushing effort, bearing down effort in the second stage. This is the most important maternal pushing effort. Pushing effort initiated when the head is pressing against and distending the pelvic floor. When the head is attached to the area of the cervix, the pushing down effort should be started. The maternal pushing effort must be evaluated for the effectiveness, proof of effectiveness in the progressive descent sequence of mechanism labor. The breathing used in natural pushing effort is that of series of short pushes often during the expiratory respiration. This reduces the possibility of fetal hypoxia. Okay, it shows that during the pushing efforts, mother should be advised to take a deep breathing, so it will decrease the chances of the hypoxia in the fetal. Evaluation of the fetal well-being. As well as we have to assess the fetal condition. In that during second stage of labor, evaluation of fetal well-being done every 15 minutes by recording FHR, fetal heart rates, and doing vaginal examination. It consists the evaluation of following: fetal lie, attitude, mechanism of labor, and fetal heart rates. To assess the progress of labor, all the measures should be taken, such as the contraction test, station of head, length of descent, progress through the mechanism of labor. For the preparation for delivery, position should be most important thing. In the position, woman during delivery may be lateral or partial sitting, dorsal, left lateral tilt. It is help to pushing efforts or lithotomy position. This is the lithotomy position. Knee chest, learning or kneeling forward with support, standing, walking, side lying, squatting, sitting on toilet, sitting. All these positions could be used. After delivery of the baby, give immediate newborn care. In the newborn care, baby placed on a tray covered with a clean dry linen with the heads off lightly downward. The tray is placed between the legs of the mother, so as soon as the baby delivers, it can be put on the clean sterile tray. Air passage should be cleared of mucus and liquor by genital suction or gentle suction. Record Apgar score at 1 to 5 minutes. Clamping and ligature of the cord. The cord is clamped by two crotches forceps and the near one is placed 5 cm away from umbilicus and is cut between. Two ligatures are applied on the cord 1 cm and 2 to 5 cm away from the navel. After cord clamping, the baby is dried and warmly wrapped to prevent cooling or with the use of bodily contact with mother. Radiant warm or warm blanket could be used to prevent the cooling. Nursing management during the second stage of labor. Continuous assessment of the maternal blood pressure and fetal heart rate every 15 minutes by recording the partograph. Or another precaution should be taken, such as the temperature of the room 26.6 degrees Celsius. Monitor progress of labor by recording the partograph as well as the fetal heart rates or fetal conditions or mother conditions. Promote a quiet focused environment to enhance pushing and provide encourage for pushing effort. This all about the second stage of labor. Then provide a comfort measures such as wiping face with the wet moist cloth, sleep of the cold water may also given, moistening the lip, support woman body during the pushing efforts, encourage woman to take deep breathing, bearing down as contraction occurs, not to bear down prematurely, instruct woman not to shout or make noise. So this is all about the first and second stage labors management, and we can also assess the partograph and also the episiotomy care if any episiotomy performance during the condition or labor. Thank you.